Alright, we are about to just fuck with Pat massively. We're going to give him his painted, modified Nerf gun. Alright, Pat, close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Why?
It's
close
a
your
surprise.
eyes.
Just close your eyes. Close your eyes.
You have your Nerf gun.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close the goddamn eyes.
Close your eyes.
You shoot me, I'll slap you.
We're not gonna shoot you. Don't make us fucking blindfold you.
I know. What the fuck you doing with it? Really? It's silver and green.
Yeah. My idea. Your idea? Fuck you, Chris. It wasn't your idea.
Whose idea was it?
It wasn't Chris's idea, alright?
Come on, really?
Yeah.
That is not funny.
And guess what else?